Hello, Rachel Leslie here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how I made over $15,000 with the One Funnel Away challenge from Clickfunnels. How I made $15,000 in affiliate commissions, not to mention how much extra money I generated for my business from implementing what I learned from the One Funnel Away challenge, but this is from the affiliate commissions. So if you don't know me, my name is Rachel, and this channel is all about making money online. That's what we do, and if you don't like that, I'm sorry, don't watch. But we here love to make money online and work from home or while traveling, work from the computer, laptop, anywhere where there's Wi-Fi. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to screen share so we can go over everything. Let's go over all the stats. So the One Funnel Away challenge, they started it in 2018, and the way they were promoting it was the 30-day summit. It was like this book campaign thing. Also, if you don't know about ClickFunnels, it's a software, but they also have online training programs. So you can make commissions from the software every single month and higher ticket commissions from the training programs. So my 30-day summit, I'm just going off of the stats in my ClickFunnels dashboard. This is not the stats like from the spreadsheets. I didn't want to crunch those spreadsheet numbers, so we're just going off of this. There were some upsells, but the OFA challenge is $100 and you get to keep the commissions. That's how it was for the past 7 months. So that was that promo. That was cool. It was new. Not everyone was promoting it. But then they started, ClickFunnels affiliate program was like, promote, promote, promote. You got to promote. This is great to promote. And you get, we're going to do contests and do giveaways. So definitely promote. So with this, my stats says 140 buyers, 14,000 in commissions. And then recently they just launched the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit, and I did last minute promo like the day before it closed and got 3 sales. I do not know how many of these people turned into signing up for ClickFunnels through my link and me getting recurring commissions. I also don't know for sure if I got commissions on the upsells. I don't really know. I don't pay so much attention to all my tracking that much because for the amount of time I could be paying attention to my tracking, I could also be making content. And for me, I don't know. I don't like to work that much. I don't really put in 8-hour days. Sometimes I don't put in 16-hour days. I put in like a couple hour days. So within the couple hour days that I work on my online affiliate business, I'm not super looking into my tracking. I'm more just trying to promote. They did a contest through February 1st to June 16th. The top 10 people would get to go on a trip to a cabin in the lake, and I got on that leaderboard, so I'm going on the trip in August. So I did look at my spreadsheet for this, and it was 106 sales. Oh, can you guys see this? I'm like blocking it. For those who were asking. So how did I do it? Oh my gosh, it was super easy. I mean, leading up to it, I guess, not super easy. I would account a lot of this towards my list, the fact that like I have an audience, I have people following me, I have people on my list. And there's different things that go into growing those lists and growing the audiences. But let's just dig into it. So first thing that I did is I made sure to make bonuses so people would be incentivized to buy through my link and not just the official link or someone else's link. So my bonuses, I just have this like ugly landing page. I have my video embedded in here, my like explainer, my unboxing video. I'll get into that also. My affiliate link, and I just listed out my bonuses. I did a bonus stack. After going through One Funnel Away challenge, I realized I need to stack my bonuses and have like bullet points for everything that people get. So they get like this course, my YouTube course, my traffic course, my influencer course. And I would switch it up throughout the promo. I have like different courses, so I switched it up. During the very end of June, because I really wanted to win the contest. And honestly, it's not that much money. Like, it's cool. I'm happy to have the money, but I also could have been spending that time and promoting higher ticket things. But I wanted to win the contest and go to the mastermind and mastermind with the other affiliates. So I gave out actually more bonuses towards the end. My content that I only had 2 YouTube videos. So this YouTube video, here, before I even got the thing, they send you a box in the mail with books and you get access to the online course and everything. I literally, in this video, Clickfunnels, 1 funnel away, 30-day challenge, are just total keywords right in here. Some hashtags, description, affiliate link, and a bunch of tags that I ranked for in YouTube. I need to move this. I was ranking for these in YouTube. And yeah, I was just reading off the sales page. I just make explainer videos reading off the sales page. So that was this video. And then when I actually bought the $100 program myself, then I was able to make this video, which was an unboxing and review video.
Hey everyone, Rachel is Lee.
I have the box and I could show the physical items that it came with, and I screen shared and showed what is in the program too. And it's a very similar thing. I have my description with my affiliate link and tags, which, I'm ranked good for these tags. Another thing I did is I backlinked these videos to each other. So the link of this video I put in the description of the other video. And then, so this video was my most updated video, and I made this video in February, and that's the video that I embedded here on this landing page. Make myself smaller. So, let's see, YouTube. Then these videos I posted on Facebook. I can post them on my main Facebook page in my Facebook group. And I did some written posts on Facebook. It comes with graphics to promote, so I would do some written posts just explaining my bonuses or explaining how great the program was. And I did do some Facebook Lives, or I would Facebook Live about some topic, and then I would also remind people, join OFA with my affiliate link and get my bonuses. And just for context, I have about 5K subs on YouTube. I have about 4K members in my group, about 4K friends, about 5K followers, just for context. For my Facebook chatbot blast, I have about 2K subs, almost, less by then. And then for email, I have about 3K. So I did some Facebook chatbot blasts, sending people to the YouTube video or to the Facebook video, and then also some email blasts sending people to the YouTube video or to the Facebook video or to the landing page. Oftentimes I'll write up the email first and then condense it for the bot. Actually, I'll have my assistant do it. So you can also get a VA and for a good price at some point in your business. If you're starting and your lists are smaller, you can do this yourself. And I want to talk about this. This is important. The size of the list and the audience. Yes, because I had an existing audience that I work hard to build and put out content, I got more buyers. But am I really engaged with this audience? I don't think so. I'm not that engaged with people on YouTube. I'm sorry. I would like to be more engaged with you. And I'm not that engaged on Facebook. I ignore everybody pretty much. I'm not that active in my group or on my page. And I ignore messages. I don't reply to my messenger bot messages, and I barely reply to emails. Kind of sad. If I was more engaged with you guys, I would have had more sales. I could have had half the audience size and be more engaged and still made the same amount of money. I could have had this current audience size, be more engaged with my audience, and made more sales. You can have a very small audience and be really engaged with these people and make good sales. You could have no audience and still get sales, because you can have no audience and still be ranking videos on YouTube. You can have no audience on Facebook and start being active in groups, start adding people as friends, start accepting friend requests, start putting out content and making videos and writing posts. My Facebook chatbot, the way I get people on my chatbot is I have lead magnets. So instead of giving me your email for the freebie, I just have them subscribe to my chatbot for the freebie. And then with the email, I grow my email list also with lead magnets. I did one other video too towards the end to talk about the summit, the Clickfunnels Affiliate Summit. This one, 300 views, 3 sales. This is good. I'm in this. People can still buy this, I think. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. If you would like to learn how to grow your YouTube, grow your Facebook audience, your Facebook Messenger list, your email list, so when there are these affiliate offers and promotions that you can launch Jack, that means everyone else is promoting it, you might as well promote it too if everyone's already looking to buy it. If you want to get into that stuff more, definitely check out more videos on my YouTube and check out dailycommissionsclub.com. I'll put a link in the description. That is my signature course and coaching program where it's all my courses, all my YouTube training, all my Facebook training, my Facebook group training, my Facebook bot training, my email training, my influencer training, how to create good bonuses and bonus stacks. That's all included, plus weekly group coaching. So definitely check that out. Also, if you haven't started One Funnel Away Challenge yet, I do highly suggest that. Even if you're just focused on affiliate marketing, it still helps with affiliate marketing. And I also highly suggest the ClickFunnels Affiliate Bootcamp Summit. It's really good. It has 15 super affiliates sharing exactly what they do. So you can do this. If you have a computer and you have internet access, you can do this, but you need to put in the work and you need to educate yourself so you're putting in the right work. There's no way to do this without putting in work. Did I spend money on doing this? No, I didn't. I didn't run paid ads. Maybe in the beginning I did like some retargeting ads just to try it out. And I've kind of lately just realized like you can't just buy what you want. You got to put in the work, especially in this business, and sharpen the saw and get better at skills. So thanks for watching this. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will talk to you guys soon.